As the one-year anniversary of the Israel-Hamas war approaches, Israel has acted decisively against two of its main adversaries. The first major blow came in July when Israel eliminated Hamas leader Ismail Haniyeh in Tehran during a ceremony for Iran's new president. Soon after, Hezbollah leader Syed Hassan Nasrallah was also killed. Now, this has again put Iran in a difficult position. The deaths of both Ismail Haniyeh and Nasrallah have left Iran grappling with the fallout. Tehran likely did not anticipate such swift and effective actions from Israel against its key allies. The loss of Ismail Haniyeh prompted Iran to issue threats of retaliation, claiming it would seek revenge for his death. However, the assassination of Nasrallah, one of its most significant allies, has left Iran silent and unsure of its next move. The loss of Nasrallah has left Iran's leaders shaken. Ayatollah Khamenei had to move to a secure location, and while he has called on Muslims to unite against Israel, the effectiveness of this call is unclear. Rising tensions and regional risks. With the elimination of Ismail Haniyeh and Nasrallah, the potential for direct conflict between Israel and Iran has increased significantly. This escalation raises the risk of a broader regional war that could involve multiple countries across the Middle East. The United States, concerned about the possibility of a direct confrontation, has begun deploying additional troops to the region as a precaution. Meanwhile, Israel is bolstering its defenses, mobilizing reserve forces, and enhancing its military capabilities, including its renowned Iron Dome system, which has proven effective in intercepting threats. The implications of a potential war are dire. Israeli leaders have warned that their military can reach any target within the region, emphasizing their readiness to respond to threats. Now, as tensions rise, the situation remains volatile, with the possibility of further escalations looming. The coming months could prove critical in determining the future dynamics of power in the Middle East and the broader implications for international security.